In this question we will solve the numerical problem related to photoelectric effect, and the question is, when electromagnetic radiations of wavelength 300 nanometer falls on sodium surface, electrons are emitted with kinetic energy 1.68 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. In this question, what do we have to calculate? In this, we have to calculate threshold energy, and second, we have to calculate the maximum wavelength that cause the photoelectric effect. Maximum wavelength means you have to calculate the threshold wavelength. In this question, what is given to you? In this, the wavelength of electromagnetic radiation is given to you, that is 300 nanometer. 300 nanometer means 300 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. And second thing, kinetic energy of electron is given to you, that is 1.68 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. In this, first of all, we have to calculate threshold energy means E naught, and second we have to calculate the maximum wavelength means we have to calculate the threshold wavelength. How do we solve this? First of all, we have to calculate the energy of the electromagnetic radiation. For this, E is equal to h nu. Here lambda is given to you, so put E is equal to hc upon lambda, where h is Planck's constant and c is velocity of light. It is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34. The value of c is 3 into 10 raised to power 8, and lambda is given to you, that is 300 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. This is the energy of one photon or one radiation. In this question, this is given to you, this is the energy of 1 mole of the electrons. So for calculation of the total energy of the radiation, we have to calculate the energy of 1 mole of the photon. For this, we have to calculate the total energy, and the total energy is equal to n naught hc upon lambda, where n naught is the Avogadro number. In this, we have to multiply this energy with Avogadro number to calculate the energy of 1 mole of the photons, and this energy is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This is the value of Avogadro number, and 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 300 into 10 raised to power minus 9 meter. When you solve these all, you get the total energy of the electrons or photons, that is 3.99 into 10 raised to power 5 joule. This is the total energy of the radiations. Total energy means energy of 1 mole of photons. Next, you have to calculate threshold energy and wavelength. We know that this is the energy of 1 mole of photon, or you can also you can also say that this is the energy in joule per mole. Why we convert this into joule per mole, because kinetic energy is given in joule per mole. Therefore, we have to multiply this energy by Avogadro number. This is the total energy of the radiation in terms of mole. From the photoelectric effect, we know that this total energy is equal to the threshold energy plus kinetic energy of the photoelectron. In this, kinetic energy is given to you and we have to calculate the threshold energy. So, threshold energy is equal to total energy minus kinetic energy. Total energy we had already calculated, that is 3.99 into 10 raised to power 5. Kinetic energy is given to you, that is 1.68 into 10 raised to power 5. It is equal to threshold energy. When you solve this, you find the value of threshold energy, and which is equal to 2.31 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. When you subtract 3.99, when you subtract 1.68 from 3.99, you get 2.31, and 10 raised to power 5 is common in both. So the threshold energy is equal to 2.31 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. Next, you have to calculate the maximum wavelength. Maximum wavelength means you have to calculate the threshold wavelength. From the Planck's quantum theory, you know that E is equal to h nu, or nu is equal to h c upon lambda, as we use for the threshold energy. Therefore, I put here this sign. E naught, we know the value of the E naught, that is 2.31 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. H is constant, that is 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34. C is also constant, 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Lambda naught we have to calculate. Now, for lambda naught is equal to 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by 2.31 into 10 raised to power 5 joule per mole. In this, we have to multiply with the charge, or per mole we have to divide the number of moles, Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, so that this lambda comes in the meter. When you solve this, you get the answer of wavelength, and this wavelength is 570 meter. When you solve these, you get the value of the wavelength, and this wavelength is the maximum wavelength that causes the photoelectric effect, also known as threshold wavelength. This is all about the question related to the photoelectric effect. I hope this question is clear to you.